Welcome to the world of DevOps, with TheOpsKart's DevOps certification training for beginners. In an era when technology is evolving at a breakneck pace, DevOps stands as a game changer, boosting the efficiency and speed of software development and deployment. Our all-encompassing course is your ticket to mastering the realm of DevOps, blending theoretical insights with practical assignments and real-world projects. You'll dive deep into the heart of DevOps, learning to bridge the gap between development and operations teams, mastering vital DevOps tools and technologies, and honing crucial practices like continuous integration and deployment, configuration management, and security automation. All of this while preparing for esteemed DevOps certifications. What's our edge at TheOpsKart? We believe in learning by doing. Our course is peppered with hands-on labs, live projects, and expert-led sessions, turning you into a DevOps pro. We also offer career guidance, helping you stride confidently towards your dream job. Our curriculum spans topics like DevOps principles, CI/CD, version control with Git, infrastructure as code with Terraform, containerization with Docker, and much more. You'll also get your hands dirty with 15 real-world projects, cementing your understanding of DevOps. This course is perfect for anyone aspiring to boost their DevOps skills and career. So, step into the future of IT with TheOpsKart's DevOps certification training for beginners. Let's make technology work for us.